Hi beautiful, welcome back to the channel. It's me Kazaru and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I am going to be doing a sort of chatty get ready with me makeup look, and this look is going to be about one of the new makeup trends that will be recently coming and trending to you, or maybe not, and maybe you are into trends or maybe you're not into trends. But I'm going to check out this trend. I'm going to try and give it a go. This trend is called, believe it or not, I have it over behind me. It is called the Art School Dropout. Is it? 1 second. Yes, it is the Art School Dropout, where who needs to say that your eyeshadow on one eye needs to match the other side of your eye. Or you could just have a really bold lip and a mismatched placement of the eyeshadow. So let's give it a crack and watch me try and create this look. It's going to be interesting. It's a good one. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to prep and prime my eyes with the Wet n Wild. Do excuse my nails. Yeah. Might get someone coming at me in the comments going, "Oh, your nails look disgusting." Yeah, they kind of do. But you know, I'm a busy mum and I will take them off. Look at that one. So bad. But anyway, let's do my eyes. So just prepping with some Wet n Wild. Still not sure how I feel about this eye primer. I have a few in my drawer that I play about with. But let's put this one on. Looks like this. And yeah. Oh, and if you're a lover of makeup and tutorials and reviews and just like chatting and looking through makeup and makeup stashes, all that kind of jazz, please subscribe. That would mean the world to me. And we can chill and chat together, or you can put me on the background whilst I faff about and talk a load of waffle and we do makeup together. If that sounds good to you, awesome. Got my little brush pad. Just gotta give that a little clean off. My brushes. And today, I know it's not Christmas, but hear me out. Odens Eye, the reindeer palette, haven't really played that much of it, so I thought I'll use it for today's, you know, makeup dropout art look. I was thinking maybe I was going to do like some of the cool tones in here. Now I'm thinking maybe like that orange is calling my name. But then I kind of like this area here. I'm not sure. I feel like maybe I want to go more cool tone today. Let's try it. Or we do this row here. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just do it. We're going to go in with the orange. Eek. Which is orange. It's called Fireplace. Let's pick up Fireplace. Whoa. Let's get my little mirror. Okay. Here we go, Fireplace. Okay, so think makeup school dropout. I'm gonna do something weird. Not weird, but I'm gonna do this. We're thinking arty. We're thinking random makeup placement. So I've seen a few pictures. I tried looking for some more. I'm thinking this is just something that got put in the article of this makeup magazine I came across. I can't think of the name at the top of my head. Maybe they think it's something that's going to take off. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. We shall see. But let's just have a little play and see what random look I create. This is my take on makeup school dropout. Okay, so we've got the orange. I'm not even gonna buff it up. It's literally meant to be, I feel like it's meant to be just a random sort of done. I'm now gonna take my favourite, like inner corner brush, and I'm just going to do the same colour, that orange, and now I'm gonna put it in the inner corner. That to me is, it's giving me art vibes, and it also says not to have like a full like matte, like a full face of foundation. Saying to do like random sort of eye looks and placement, mismatch of colours. I'm guessing something like this, which looks kind of cool. Just amping up that orange a bit more. a bit more of where I placed it, because I do have hooded eyes, so I'm just going to bring it up a bit more above my crease there, and maybe actually sort of bring it out like a fan. That would look kind of cool. Like if we just fan it out, like I do a sort of outer, like a triangle sort of shape. That's kind of different. It's kind of cool actually trying out some of these trends. Like I might have a video if you've watched it. I was talking about makeup trends and how some makeup, like people writing makeup, can't speak, in magazines that were talking about in the articles about how they think eyeshadow is dead and it's for old ladies. But obviously I do not think that. I'm literally trying to blend now, this little brush. I will swap over. But at the moment I think that looks kind of cool. Bit random. Obviously I feel like I'm a bit undone, but I feel like that's the kind of look that they're talking about. Would it be this? Don't know. And then the next colour I'm going to go in is with I think that sort of grey. No, I want to go in with the brighter blue, which is, and now replacement of this one. Oh, I actually want to do it underneath my oh, hang on, wrong brush. So for this I need my smudge brush. Where are you, smudgy brush? Here we go, smudge brush. And I want to take you underneath my waterline. Let's pick up some more. And really deliberately wipe you all the way across. Okay, how are we feeling? How's that? I took the blue and I just did along the lower lash line and did a little wing with it. I haven't really done anything here. I'm very tempted. I would go more in and I would want to do a shimmer, but I feel like for what they're talking about, this would be it. And then maybe you would do mascara or eyeliner, a funky lip, or you just leave the lip. I'm thinking maybe we just line the lips. Oh, this one's interesting. Kind of tricky and also difficult because I feel like the need to finish off my eyes a bit more. You know what I mean? It's interesting though when you do some like trending makeup. I think I'm gonna do mascara and then the lip liner. Let me just see what I got. This is a bit different for me. So we're actually gonna line, not with my other liner, like you always know I go for. We're gonna do the Rimmel East End Snob, and I'm just gonna look this way because I've got my mirror here. And I think I'm going to, not even with a line all over the lips. No, come on. We are doing arty stuff here on the face, so let's get creative. So how about we just do nothing on the lips? I just did a little bit of sheer butter because my lip here is like a little bit dry. So let's just do the top. Cupid's bow, just the top, and then I'm gonna just line underneath her. We're basically half lining the lips. Weird? Strange? Not on the makeup world, it's not. Just smiling a little bit when I apply because I've got obviously like little lines. My lips are not as plump as they used to be, which is fine. We can work with it. I'm just going to shade it in. Just in the middle. I'm going to go again to the top. Overline it a little bit. Colour it in a bit. I kind of like that. It makes my lips look smaller than what they are. I look like I'm basically doing this to you. Hello. But I kind of like it. I'm just gonna... And then for the middle, just in the middle, always turn that down. I always forget it's like a windy one. This one is a good one though. This is the Rimmel Exaggerate. Yeah, Exaggerate Colour Lip Liner. I do like this one. For a twisty uppy one, it's good, but the other day a bit of it did like, it got chopped off, unfortunately. That was my bad though. Right, so for a bit of like shine. Okay, I thought about it, and I think we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Lift the Gloss in the shade Moon, which is 003. And I'm just gonna take my little really old school Real Techniques brush, the lip brush. I'm just gonna take them off and put some. I've actually got probably too much, but I'm gonna take some and put a little bit, literally just in the middle. It smells so good, this stuff. I thought I found a replacement for this lifter gloss, but I don't think I have. I still love it. And we're just literally half doing the lips, which was really weird to me. But remember, we're going for that arty school dropout vibe look. So let's do it. Sort of half done, half undone. Oh, I feel like I've given myself smaller lips. I do like this gloss. And now I think mascara, and then for my base, at the moment I just got a bit of concealer on, the Maybelline Fit Me one, which I quite like, which doesn't get dry down into my like lines or my wrinkles that I have coming in. Go away, wrinkles, horrible things. I want something a bit shiny, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Maybelline Superstay. I've got shade 05.5. I'm just going to take a little bit. I never use the little droplet. I just get my brush and wipe it off. I just do this. I've never once really squeezed that up, to be honest. I literally just want a little bit. Let's just apply that all over. And there's that, looking nice and shiny, but not too much. We're not looking matte. We're looking just like we've got a little bit going on, a little bit of shine. I can't get rid of my little lips. Little lips. They're very little enough as it is, and they've made them smaller. I feel like a mime or something. I do like the Superstay. Some people, some other makeup channels have said that they found it a little bit drying on their skin. I think it depends on your skin on the day and obviously your skin type, but also what moisturizer and skin steps you went to before. Because if I haven't moisturized properly, or I haven't like gotten rid of like my dead skin cells and had a really good buffing on my face before putting this on, then yeah, it can give sometimes the appearance of a bit more like dryness, or it can cling to some of those like dry areas. But if you prep your skin beforehand, this looks really nice and also lasts a long time on my oily combination skin. So moving on, now I'm going to take my Bourjois Palace Push Up Glamour. I do like this mascara, but unless you're new to my channel, the brush to this thing is scary. And also looking very clumpy. I should have taken it out and then done it like to the side. There we go. Let's just do it again. Slowly. I feel like I'm going to get it everywhere. Oh my gosh, that did not work. I've got like a load on that. I just want to take a little bit off. And now it's like really clumpy and awful. It's not that bad though, guys. The brushes, I did swap it over with a different brush. I might just order a new one though. Anyway, so we're gonna do mascara. I haven't done eyeliner because I don't feel like I want eyeliner for this look for my eyes, because I feel like this is enough. Mascara, I'm literally going to do something a little bit different. I'm not going to apply it all over my eyelashes. I'm going to apply it just to the outer ones, I think. Oh my gosh, I've got a brush. Let's have a go. I just want to do this. That's going to give the effect like I've just put on false eyelashes. I'm only going to do that edge. You guys should try this with your mascara. Don't just go whacking it all over your eyelashes. Like, try a different placement of your mascara. It really changes like your eye shape and your makeup look. I'm just going to do this. It also looks like you just put like falsies on to one part of your eye, which I think looks kind of cool. I'm just going to hold it there. I don't have eyelash curlers. They kind of scare me and freak me out. So with my mascara wand, I would just hold it there, bend the eyelashes, and then release. And it kind of bends them anyway for you, before and after. Va-va-voom. So it's a good mascara. It's just the brush is so fun. Yeah, scary. Let's do the other one. Okay. This is what we're looking at the moment. I actually really like it, but I feel like we're still missing something on the face. I would normally like to go in and make my beauty spots pop out a bit more with a dark brown. But how about we make them pop out a bit more with a different colour? So we've done orange and like a blue. We've got like a pinky shiny lip. We're sort of making it look a bit more pointed like this. Colour. What colour would you do next? Would you go in with more of an orange? Would you do a blue? Would you do a white, a clear? Let me have a look at my drawer. Haha, I'm back. And I highlighted with like a metallic blue. I thought, why not? I feel like it sort of fits with this look pretty well. And I used the NYX Slide On Glide On Stay blue pencil. It looks like this. It's a good one. But I hope it, yeah, I'll have to rub it off to get it off in a minute. But it catches the light quite nicely. And my eyes, I really like that mascara. So good. And I like the little bottle. Looks like a little like vial potion or something, if you will. But a shame about the brush. It's a bit too big for my liking, but I can get around it and work with it. And that's my take on the school art dropout look. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you have a go and recreate this look or your own attempt at this look, tag me and I would love to come and watch it and see what you created yourselves. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. And if you like this video, why not go and watch this one? Cool. See you soon. Bye.